All right, bro, here's the deal. World War I, yeah, the first one, was this massive shit show that went down between 1914 and 1918. It wasn't just a war. It was like the war. A whole bunch of countries, mostly in Europe, got dragged into it and millions of people died. Like millions. So why did it happen? Honestly, it's kind of like when a group of drunk dudes are arguing in a bar and one guy throws a punch, but everyone else was already itching for a fight anyway. The punch was just the excuse. That punch, it was when this dude Franz Ferdinand, not the band, the actual Archduke of Austria-Hungary, got assassinated in Serbia. Boom, that's the spark. But let's be real, that wasn't the reason. It was just the thing that set off a pile of dry explosives that had been sitting there for years. Let me break it down. Alliances. All these countries had made deals behind the scenes. Like, if someone messes with you, I got your back. So when one went to war, everyone else jumped in, whether they liked it or not. Imperialism. Everyone wanted more land, more colonies, more bragging rights. I've got Africa. Well, I've got Asia, that kind of crap. Nationalism. Basically, everyone thought their country was the best, and everyone else sucked. Classic ego trip. Militarism. Countries had been stockpiling weapons like crazy. Guns, bombs, shiny uniforms. They were just waiting for a reason to show off. So Franz gets shot. Austria-Hungary's like, yo, Serbia, you're dead. Russia's like, nah, don't touch my little buddy. Germany's like, back off, Russia. Then France and the UK jump in like, well, guess we're doing this. And just like that, bam, we've got a world war. Most of the action went down in these disgusting, muddy trenches. Picture living in a ditch for months, surrounded by rats, mud, and dead bodies. That was life for a lot of soldiers. And what made it worse? New toys. Tanks, machine guns, poison gas, airplanes. This was the first time humans had the tech to kill each other on an industrial scale. But they were still using old-school tactics like run straight at the enemy. Yeah, didn't work out too well. After 4 brutal years, everyone was broke, exhausted, and bleeding. In 1917, the US finally showed up like, all right, let's wrap this up. And by 1918, Germany and its squad were like, yeah, we're done. Then came the Treaty of Versailles in 1919, basically a giant middle finger to Germany. It's all your fault. Pay up, disarm, sit in the corner and think about what you did. And guess what? That humiliation, it helped fuel World War II. So yeah, World War I wasn't just some random historical event. It was the beginning of the mess that shaped the entire 20th century. You want to understand why the world is screwed up? It kinda starts right here.